Yo, this is Josh from Magic Skateboard Media. I just got done learning a new trick on the one wheel. Anyway, public service announcement. If you, like me, have a media mod for your GoPro and you've lost or damaged your microphone windscreen for it, a lot of people have, on my research, told me a lot of different things. Log into the GoPro service plan, become a member. One person said it's $5 a month, one person said it's $50. What I did was I registered my GoPro Hero 10 and I gave them a call. I actually got a hold of them through their live support on the website and said, hey, I just got the media mod. I took a spill.
Hey. Oh.
And my microphone got damaged and I couldn't find anywhere to purchase a new one. And they said, no problem, mister. Can you please send us a picture to verify the damage? And I did so. And they immediately asked me for my email. And within the week, I got a brand new one. Boom. For all those people wondering, how do you get one of these? I didn't have to join the membership. I registered my product. I live chatted with them and they sent me one, courtesy, free of charge. And I really want to commend them for that because I've had a lot of different experiences with different companies trying to get them to compensate for miscellaneous things. And GoPro handled this one very professionally, and I appreciate you, GoPro. And for all of those wondering how to get that, you just go to GoPro.com, get a hold of them, send them a message, and register your product. I don't know if registering my product helped, but I registered my product and that seemed to have helped. So anyways, take action, stay motivated, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace.